CVs. Hey YouTube, so today I'm going to build sort of a little walkway thing out of these 12 by 12 pavers and pea gravel pebbles that I got at Home Depot. Now these pavers were roughly $2 each at Home Depot. I'll link it somewhere up here so you can check it out, but I think they're going to look awesome and they're cheap. So behind me is my big garage door, and this is pretty much the way that we typically walk into the garage. But the problem is this area gets pretty muddy, so I want to build a little pathway here so you don't get your feet wet and get all gross walking back into the house. Now, I'll be honest, I wish I had one more of them so it matched up, but I can always build it and just get that one last one next time I go out. So let's start building. So what I'm doing now is making a border. I have these 2x4s in the garage. I'm going to cut this one right here. That's going to be the border. I'm going to dig down, set these in place, and then I'm going to put this weed blocker down so we don't get those pesky weeds popping through. All right, now that the border's cut, it's time to move everything out of the way and start digging. All right, I think I have everything where I want it to go. So the next step is going to be to take these out, put the weed blocker down, and then put the stones in place, and then fill in with the pea gravel. All right, well, here's the finished product for now. I may need to put a little bit more pea gravel down, but for right now, this will do, and I'll touch it up as time goes on. So as you can tell, this does slope down, so there may be some pooling of water on the bottom, but the fact of the matter is no one's gonna have muddy feet walking out of the garage. So what did this all cost to do? Well, there's 14 pavers. They were $2 a piece, so $28 there. The pea gravel was about $4.50 a bag, so $9. So we're looking at 37, and the wood I already had in the garage. I'm not gonna count that. So this is a little walkway for less than $40. Thank you guys for watching. CVs.